some pictures of you eating?
Sophie. Hannah.
Should we take pictures of you eating?
Yeah.
Let me see you eat.
Hannah.
You have to eat your pastas. Let me see how you eat your pastas. Do you like it? I think you like it.
What flavor is this again, Mom?
This is apple sweet potato.
Hannah.
Oh yeah, she seems to like it, Sophie.
She's loving it.
She looks like Ms. Pac-Man.
like 3/4 of it. Now we have some bananas. We'll see if she likes
Oh,
that.
let's see what the look on her face is like.
Although I don't particularly like the flavor of this one.